Getting your Google Merchant Center account suspended can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure what went wrong. But you're not alone. Thousands of e-commerce store owners face this issue every year, and it can mean lost traffic and sales overnight. So, what causes these suspensions? The most common reasons include 1. Product policy violations, misrepresentation of information, 3. Website problems, and 4. Data feed errors. Sometimes it's as simple as a price mismatch or missing return policy. Other times it's more complex, like listing restricted products or having a slow, hard-to-navigate website. The good news is, these issues can be fixed. Start by identifying the exact reason for your suspension, update your product data and website to meet Google's guidelines, and submit a clear appeal. Trusted Web Eservices manually audits your account, identifies the real cause, and fixes every violation. No automated scripts, just real experts. Their process includes a 2-hour emergency assessment, a 47-point compliance audit, violation cleanup, and a professionally written appeal to Google. They support all major e-commerce platforms. With a 95% success rate and over 500 accounts restored, Trusted Web Eservices responds instantly through live chat and email support.